else you want to tell me about the army?
Sir, army has seven commands, which have the northern command in the Udhampur, the training command in the Shimla, the southern command at Pune, the southwestern command at Jaipur, the central command at Lucknow, the eastern command at Kolkata, and the southeast western and the western command at Chandi Mandir. And army is currently been using few rifles which are the Insas rifles, TAR 21 or the Teva rifles, the AK-208 rifles. Dragunov is the sniper rifle, and Arctic warfare weapon, which is the sniper rifles which are being currently used by the Indian army. And the tanks, which I do not have much knowledge about the tanks, but yeah, the T-21 and the T Bhishma tanks are being used by the Indian Army. Currently, Army is having many parts like electronics and mechanized infantry, and Sudarshan Chakra Corps, which is the part of the infantry, and Army Aviation Corps, Army Dental Corps.
Okay, so this S-400 has been in the news for some time. Any idea what is this S-400?
No, sir, I don't have the information.
Okay, right. So, how do you keep yourself updated on what's happening in the country, what's happening in the world, and from your personal assessment? Can you update me on three national and three international issues from your side?
Sir, I usually keep myself updated by sitting with my grandparents. As my grandfather is a avid reader of the newspaper, he reads newspaper thoroughly every day, and sometimes whenever I have a word with him, he usually tells me about the current news or the things happening around the globe. And the three national things which have been taken up are the the India has developed the Sucheta, which is a completely hydrogen fuel cell powered ferry, which is currently being used by the Indian Coast Guards. And the Indian Army have improved their promotion policy for the lieutenant generals. Now it's on the basis of the merit. Earlier it was based on the uh, examination and the CV of a particular officer. And ISRO has launched the SPADEX, which is the new space mission which has been taken up. In recently, Bhopal have cleared the Union Carbide's toxic waste, which was kept here for last 40 years. The 12 trucks containing at least 30 tons of toxic waste have been cleaned up the whole Union Carbide factory and have been taken to the Pitampur district, where it will be burned, for which the stone pelting is also being done in the Enver Industries, but the uh, current CRPF have regulated it, and CM Mohan Yadav ji has also declared that it won't affect the people around. And in the international issue, the Israel have attacked the Gaza airstrip, in which 21 people have been killed. Which have Israel has also break the ceasefire treaty, and Taliban has attacked Pakistan and have captured the army checkpoints near the Balochistan region. And China have approved for the dam building in the on the Brahmaputra river. India has urged China to make dam on the upper hill of the Brahmaputra and ensure that there should be safety in the downward region of the Brahmaputra. And they also, because it may create the terrain distractions and can cause floods in the northeastern region of India as well as in Tibet.
Okay, so you say you get your update from your grandfather, but now you're not staying with your grandfather. Then how are you updating yourself?
Sir, I talk to my grandfather daily at night for approximately
Hmm.
half an hour. So at times he usually tells me about the situations at home and also tells me about the daily news which is there. And
But how do you know that what your grandfather is saying is the most important news? Why can't you read a newspaper?
sir, in my college, I recently started to read newspaper during the December time. But after that, due to our very tight schedule, the library closes at 8 o'clock in the college, and we are not allowed to get the newspapers as students have been using it for the other reasons, and they wanted newspapers to be read by everyone. So I have proposed being the cadet captain of the college. I have also implemented the library committee so that they should ensure that students should get books 24 into 7 and can get library and can access to the library even online, so that nobody is time bound to the knowledge.
You are cadet captain also?
I am the cadet captain of my class actually. So
Okay. So in your PIQ, you have mentioned something about scouting as well.
yes, sir. So, sir, I have taken up in my campaign school from class 4th to class 8. I have been a member of Scouts and Guides, in which I was a patrol leader, and I have taken up two camps, which is the Pratham Sopan and the Dvitya Sopan camps at Pachmadi, Bhopal, in which I was bagged the title of Best Scout of Madhya Pradesh in 2016.
Okay, right. What is the motto of the scout and how is the scouting looting different from that of the service?
Sir, the motto of scouting is be prepared, and it was being proposed by the person who started scouting, who is Lord Robert Stevenson Smith Baden Powell. Scouting is actually a bit different from the NCC or the things which have been regimental courses, we can say. So actually, it is an world-based system or the world-based course, as it is internationally implemented, and it focuses on mostly towards a person surviving in the forest or in the jungle region, and it implements in how to get into more discipline in life, and have to and how a person can survive in forest with the our only available things and can create resources to it.
Okay, so tell me about this cadet captain of the class. Uh, how was it? The selection done? Is it nomination? Why did they choose you, or is it a periodical thing which everybody does?
So the cadet captain of our class is being chosen by on the basis of the marks which they score in the internal examinations. I was the third topper of my class, but the first two were the library. One was in the library committee, and second was in the sports committee of the college. So the cadet captain, I was the third ranker of my class, so that's why they choose me as the cadet captain of the college. And as there are only 80 students in the BTech section, so I have been leading the 80 students, and have been learning new things in how to lead the students in a.
But don't you think that academics is the only reason is not sufficient? Because there are so other essentials required for becoming, taking on responsibility and leadership.
Sir, I believe that the only thing which academics should not be the only thing on which the selection should be made. So after that, I have applied for the. I have written a letter to my college so that they should improve the uh, selection pattern of cadet captains. But the cadet captain is not the person who is actually have to lead the college. They are also been assigned the duty to motivate college to participate in other things in like marathons and the upcoming events. They are also being responsible for all the class. For example, they should be knowing all the details of class and all the faculties which are being taken up and the timetable of the upcoming week also.
Okay, Naman, from your own assessment of yourself, what do you think would be the assets or the strong points in your personality? And there would be some areas where you would like to develop or improve. What are those areas? And what are you doing for improvement?
Sir, I believe that the good aspects of my personality that I am focused and I can properly. I am a self-aware person who knows everything properly, and I believe the things I need to work on is to have more service knowledge about the army and should manage more time and should start reading newspaper daily and I believe that the things that I should take up in my life is to gain more experience and play more sports.
Okay, for some reason, if you are not recommended with this SSB, then what happens?
Sir, sir, I will get recommended in this. I will surely get recommended in this attempt. And for my backup options also, I have applied for the Army Technical Entry TES, for which also my SSB is online, and I have applied for the Navy Technical Entry as well. In any one of them, I will get through, and I am sure that I have given a good interview, so I will get into this one also.
But you have the other two also, you have the GT and SITE as well. So just being well in interview doesn't make you from being recommended.
But sir, it will at least give me the confidence to think myself that I am a recommended candidate.
Okay, and if you threw in all three, then what do you opt for?
Sir, I have currently been pursuing the merchant navy and I have been doing the marine engineering course. After my graduation, I will surely go
No, no,
for.
I'm saying in the present you said you're having other SSBs as well. If you get recommended in all of them,
Sir, I will be the most happiest person. Then,
obviously, but
and,
where will you go then?
and I will, sir, I will surely go for NDA because it was my first dream, and my Mamaji and my brother is currently in NDA. So I have been more to many, and I have been knowing the things in the inside the NDA about also.
Okay, right, Naman. So, with that we finish. Any question?
No, sir.